Hey guys, welcome to another video. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about the best free page builder that you can find in the market right now for affiliate marketing. Now, this is obviously my review, so I'm going to be talking about a few other free page builders as well. But this is something that I think is going to be very useful for you. So stay tuned because it is my favorite tool and I love using it. I love looking at it and I'm learning so much as I go along. So let's hop onto my screen and share with you guys some more. Okay, guys, I'm here. And before I go ahead and share with you exactly what I want to share, the point of this video is it's a Wednesday. So I like to do a bit of training on a Wednesday. I'm documenting my entire affiliate marketing journey. This channel was created to teach you guys skill sets to pave the way for your dreams to come true. I do have a full-time job. I do this on the side, but I wanted to share with you some skills and some also tools on a Wednesday for you guys to, let's say, evaluate whether this is something for you or not. Okay, first and foremost. Now, in affiliate marketing, I believe that there are two main skill sets that are pretty important. One is advertising. So we talk about that on a Monday and on a Friday usually. And on a Wednesday, we talk about copywriting or basically any kind of skill set in terms of the tools that you would need, but it's obviously copywriting because building a landing page, building a bridge page, building your own email address, email follow-up series and everything else does need copywriting skill sets. But the tool that I basically use a completely free tool for my business. So I wanted to share with you first and foremost a few things that are out there. There is a tool called, and I'm going to show you, it's called Leads Leap. Okay, let's just do this. Leads Leap. So Leads Leap has been a tool since 2008. If you do want this, you can definitely get it. It is a free tool as well. I'm not affiliated with Leads Leap in any way, just to let you guys know, but it is a free tool that you can get. It does have a paid membership as well. You can you can have traffic that's being built. You can have 10 lists with unlimited subscribers, as you can see right here. 10 page builder, 10 pages basically hosted included. Pop-up creator, link tracker, 5 ways to make money. Has a lot of testimonials. It is a good landing page builder and it's something that I would definitely suggest to look at and consider. However, I didn't go this route because first and foremost, I thought for my use, the free one would be a bit limited. And I wanted a equivalent to, in my perspective, even on the visual side of it, I wanted an easy equivalent for a European, at least for a European company, because I'm in Italy itself. Okay, and I wanted to look for a free page builder because I was spending about $120 every single month to have my page builder and autoresponder in place. So I moved away. I did see Leads Leap, but I didn't join Leads Leap. In the end, I joined System.io. And in my opinion, this is just my personal opinion. Obviously, I'm biased to it, guys, because I'm using the tool. But System.io is, in my opinion, the best tool out there right now for all-in-one marketing, but in general marketing needs. So let me go ahead and literally share with you guys the features before I go into it and why I'm saying that it's the best free page builder out there. There are many other page builders. It really depends on your needs. So know your purpose. If you don't have a proper purpose and if you are not tech savvy, then it's something to consider. What do you want out of it? And then whether the tool is right for you. Like I said, I'm being very open with you guys and sharing with you that Leads Leap is another alternative. There are many other alternatives out there, I believe, that are free, but it's up to you what you want to get. So as I said, I stopped completely using an autoresponder. I stopped using other tools. As you can see right here, it says stop using a different tool for every part of your online business. In fact, I have stopped completely. I use this tool for my sales funnel. I use this tool for my email marketing. I do use it as a website builder as well. I do use the automation that's there. I do use the blog, although I haven't blogged in a while, but yes, I will be blogging much more in 2024. That's something I do. I have a future plan of building my own online courses through this product and selling my own products through this platform. So it has everything for now for me and for the future. Therefore, I invested my time in actually learning this tool and applying the skill set to this tool. Now, the beauty of it, as you can see, you can create amazing sales funnels with the same kind of accuracy, let me put it that way, as a ClickFunnels one. Or ClickFunnels has different, different targets and target audience and everything else, and it's quite good. I think it's for small businesses if you really want, and you have a complex sales funnel, and you already have a business that's earning you a certain amount. Definitely invest into ClickFunnels, in my opinion. As you can see, I'm pretty much open with my sharing what works and what doesn't work, but I believe the System.io has by far one of the best the platforms out there, seriously. So very good ratings. You can have your own affiliate program within System.io. So that's another cool thing to have to consider. Obviously, if you have problems, you're like, for example, you're using, I don't know, Stripe, and your Stripe account gets blocked, then it's going to be a problem on System.io because they don't have like a payment solution. They're using third-party payment solutions to solve this problem. They have a lot of automation, which is quite cool, and I really like that. This automation part is like blowing my mind. I cannot wait to go to an upgraded account to be able to use the automation. So this is all of it, and then I'm going to go through the pricing for you guys to understand. My whole strategy is here. Okay, I have step one, which is a cash flow generating strategy, and step two is my own funnel and sales process. So basically, for the three things that you can see right there: a landing page, a bridge page, and email, is all being integrated through System.io for me. Now, what I said to myself is, I want to show you guys that it is possible to build it first and foremost an affiliate marketing business on the side. Secondly, that it is also possible to have grow its scale up. So you don't need to pay for your account initially. Obviously, if you do pay for your account, you need to know what you're doing and have, as I said before in the beginning of this video, goals and purposes to why you're paying for the account. But like I said, if you don't have, and you're just getting started and learning things, it's quite an amazing free tool to have because of the pricing. I'm going to get to it in a second. And so I wanted to start on the same journey and see how long does it take for me to build 2,000 contacts and then go to the page. So what is the journey for myself, which I can then share with you guys. So that's how I was thinking about it, which means since March, I got started with the absolutely free program. I let the limitations of the free subscription be there for me and show you guys also how. So for example, I can only have one tag, and one tag is basically one email list. That's a limitation for me personally, because I would like to have multiple email lists just because of the kind of marketer that I am. But unfortunately, I said, let the limitations guide me, and those limitations have guided me. I just kept to one list. And so I made a compromise and said, if I want to promote something different, I will send a broadcast to my entire, or newsletter to my entire list. It might confuse them, maybe so, but I will do it that way. I won't do it quite often, but I will do it that way so that I keep true to the goal of not paying for this tool until I need to pay for this tool. So until 2,000 contacts, basically 2,000 emails, I don't need to pay for it. And I've been cleaning my list as well every single month and basically every single month. So just to give you guys an idea, right now, I have 946 contacts on my list at the moment. If you see from my dashboard, let me just go to the dashboard. I'm basically getting around 400 leads every single month because of where I am in my journey, which is quite nice to have. I love seeing this in my funnel. I love seeing how the campaign is growing. And my funnel itself, my page builder itself is converting 40% this month so far. It's about almost 500 people that have gone through to my landing page, and I've got a 41% so far conversion rate. So that's quite cool to see. This is why it's, it has quite a bit of unlimited things that are there also on the free account, but it is definitely possible. So it's absolutely free. How easy it is to build, as you can see right here, I have 1, 2, 3. So I have 2 pages, which are my funnel. And then these rest of the pages, I have them here, but I use them as links in my email follow-up series. So that's the beauty of it. So it is a funnel with a few links in it, but the funnel itself, the whole sales process itself is just the, oops, that's a mosquito. Is just these two pages, the first 2 pages itself. The rest are just additional, would go through my email list and emails that I'm sharing with the guys, with my contacts, basically. So I'm getting a good conversion rate. Why am I saying that it is quite a good funnel? Just let me show you. This is the kind of page that I have, and has a pop-up, as you can see. So definitely I'm not losing interest of people. I'll show you my thank you page as well, just so that you guys get an idea. It's got a very sleek, simple thank you page that I've built. I do need to update it. You can have a countdown timer if you want. And basically it's so simple to build. I did this in about 10 minutes. Honestly, I had a structure in mind. I wanted to keep it simplified and have a training. That is the free training that I'm giving. So it's a 20-minute free training. You can upload your videos onto the platform itself, so that you're hosting it on system.io. You're not hosting on YouTube and then transferring it there. So that's a whole nother thing. It loads very quickly. It plays very well. I cannot stop boasting about it. The only thing when you get started as a free account is that it shows here powered by system.io. On one hand, it's good. On the other hand, you will be able to remove that tag basically, or that logo, when you get the startup plan. When you reach the startup plan, I believe that you can remove it immediately. The startup plan costs $27 per month. Other than all of this, why am I saying it's a brilliant feature is that for the affiliate program itself, just give me a second, guys. There is let's go to the affiliate just to show you guys. It's a 60% payment that you get with affiliate marketing. So consider really whether this tool is for you and you want to share it with somebody else. Obviously, the 60% that you will get, the payment, that affiliate commission that you will get, is only received when somebody buys the startup or the webinar or the unlimited. But other than that, this, in my opinion, is the best tool. You can do quite a few things with it, and it converts really well. It's very simplistic. It's pretty much like ClickFunnels on how to build it. So it's drag and drop and easy. Let me just show you the funnel itself. Okay, so if I go to this page and I just say edit page, this is how easy it is. If you need to add your different section, if you need images, columns, inputs, reCAPTCHA, this is quite cool. I didn't even know that this was there, but this is quite cool. So this is really good to have now, specifically because of the kind of things that are out there. It's good to have reCAPTCHA also. So these are quite new and improved inputs that are there. Countdown, horizontal line. You can add your own templates if you want. So it's quite a good offer, as I can see, as a whole, right? So it's really up to you if you want to get this tool. As I said, there's going to be a link in the description, but what I will leave also is I will leave a link to this page right here. Yeah, so I will leave a link to the entire plan, and specifically the annual plan for the starter package, in case you want to get the starter package itself. But like I said, my favorite tool out there. There are other tools. Please go ahead, check those other tools out. But system.io, in my opinion, is one of the best free page builders out there that you can have, and also an all-in-one marketing tool. So eliminate your other offers that are there and stick to one thing. I literally pay nothing to run my business right now because of this tool, and it saved me $120 per month, guys. That's why I'm boasting about it or talking about it so much. Links on the description. Hit that subscribe button if you're interested. And I'm going to see you guys on Friday for another video.